Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: unlocked iPhone 15, an active carrier hotspot plan, and cellular data enabled. Once done, swipe down to open Control Center and make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are turned on because devices use both. Next, tap Settings immediately, do not search elsewhere. In Settings, you'll go straight to Cellular. This step begins the hotspot process and verifies the phone can share its connection, so make sure signal strength is reasonable before continuing. In Settings, tap Cellular then Personal Hotspot. This is where you enable sharing. Toggle Allow others to join. The switch opens the hotspot radios and broadcasts the SSID. Make a note of the Wi-Fi name shown and copy the password or press change password to set something memorable and secure. Once the hotspot is active, nearby devices can connect by selecting the SSID and entering the password. If you prefer, use Instant Hotspot via iCloud to connect Apple devices without a password. Now connect your laptop, tablet, or another phone to the iPhone 15 SSID using the password shown. You can also pair via Bluetooth or plug in with a USB cable for a steady link. Once connected, check internet access and monitor data use in Settings. If devices won't see the hotspot, toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, restart your iPhone, and verify cellular data works. If problems persist, contact your carrier to confirm hotspot provisioning. That usually resolves account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.